Hey, I'm Alice, the Quality Control Inspector of Wei Zhengheng. Now I would like to introduce my work to you. The first is welding, painting, and measuring the frame of each mobile home. My job is to make sure that every dimension is accurate. Then I will check the size of wall panel, window frame covering, roof, ceiling, floor, bathroom, and all doors are sealed or not. After that, I need to pay attention to the water inspection after the completion of facilities and the electrical inspection after the completion of the circuit, such as power switch and socket on the wall. After the overall completion of the mobile home, a visual inspection will be conducted, including paint repair, bump, glass plate wrapping, etc. At last, is the mobile home before shipping packing inspection. The test process includes methods such as paper version signature and photo retention. Each test includes several branches of the test process. I'll make sure that your mobile house will be fastened in the shipping container before you receive it. After all this inspection work, all you need to do is just waiting for your phone ring.